Today we will talk about WordPress plugin. We will also learn how to use GreyScale plugin, which is being made by me. Hi guys, this is engineer MARYAM JAMIL from MJais software consultancy. We build great softwares which include web, desktop and mobile applications. Today we are going to talk about WordPress plugin, that is GreyScale plugin, which is being made by me. So first of all, what is a WordPress? WordPress is a simple web publishing software you can use to create beautiful website or a blog. It may be a simple and easiest flexible tool for blogging or website content management system. Okay, so it means that you can use to create beautiful websites, or you can also use it to just do the blog. Now let's come towards what is plugins. WordPress plugin. So what are plugins? Plugins are bits of software that can be uploaded to extend and expand the functionality of your WordPress site. Plugins are tools that are used to add new features to your blogs and website. Now we have created a new plugin that is called as GreyScale plugin. Now this is a simple plugin which has been created so that you can understand that how plugins can actually function it out. This plugin is being used to change the color of images in black and white. Whatever the image is being uploaded, its color is changed into black and white. Now let's just start the tutorial. Firstly, we will upload the file of plugin. After uploading the plugin, we will activate the plugin. You can see in plugins that our plugin GreyScale image is being uploaded and being activated. We will create a new post so that we can see whether the plugin is effective or not. We are creating the title of the post. Let's say it is called as GreyScale. Now we are uploading the image. Here you can clearly see that as soon as we upload the image, it is changing into GreyScale. Okay, now it is black and white.